Okay, we're doing the Disappear Water.
Yep, Disapearing Water. So add 1 big scoop of the sodium.
Yes.
Yep, 1 big scoop into 1 of the paper cups. Oh, hang on. I think we already have some stuff in the paper cups. I gotta move that out. Okay. 1 big scoop in the paper cup. Good job. Fill the clear cup of water with water. So fill up a clear cup with water.
To the top?
Yep, there you go. And now it says place all the cups on the table. They're already there. Show your audience the clear cup of water and say it's regular old water.
Yeah.
And take a sip to prove it. Take a sip of the water. Regular old water. Okay. Now ask your audience which cup you pour the water into. Pour the water into the cup with the sodium in it. Sodium
It's
hollow. I can't even. A little bit more. And more. There you go. Okay. Move the cups around for about 10 seconds. Yep, just keep moving them around. Now I'm going to guess which one the water is in. Your magic wand. Each cup, or I'm gonna guess. I think the water's in that one, and now you have to pour it upside down. See if the water comes up. Pour out all of them. Pour each one. What? No water. Okay. Where's the other water? What? It's not in that. It's got to be in that. What? Where'd the water go?
Look, this is frozen, and look,
What?
this stuff doesn't come out.
That's magic.
Yeah. Because it turns icy, like icy jello, and then boom, I can't even jump it.